Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Rivian R1S 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Rivian R1S 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. The 2023 Rivian R1S brings the concept of the adventure SUV to the market with style, power, and incredible capability. Like the related R1T, the R1S sports an unmistakable and purposeful look. Its squared-off profile fits with its incredible off-road ability and gives it plentiful interior space. Pros. Here are the pros of Rivian R1S 2023. Incredible power. Incredible off-road capability. Spacious. Cool new kid on the block. EV efficiency. We will tell you the cons at the end of this video. Engine. Engine type, electric. Engine power, 750 horsepower. Torque, 829 feet-to-pound. Fuel type, NA. Drive type, all-wheel drive. Gearbox, single speed. Body type, SUV. Available in following colors: LA Silver, Glacier White, and El Cap Granite. Performance. Maximum speed, 110 miles per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. Here we are discussing the features of Rivian R1S 2023. Central locking, a backup camera, tire pressure monitor, power door lock, child safety lock, stability control, rear seat belts, and crash sensors. For more comfort, adjustable steering, height adjustable driving seat. Here are the cons of Rivian R1S 2023. No AM or satellite radio. No Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Long wait. High prices. Expected price. Price in United States. Rivian R1S 2023 in United States of America is $79,800. Rivian R1S 2023 in Germany is DEU 69,750. Rivian R1S 2023 price in Norway is NOR 702,000. Rivian R1S 2023 price in Australia is 108,000 Australian dollars. Rivian R1S 2023 price in Moldova is MDL 1,482,000. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price Rivian R1S 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.